Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the aspect ratio on Insta360 GO Ultra. The aspect ratio can be changed, I believe, in all or almost all modes on the camera. So it doesn't matter whether you'll select photo. You can just click on the button next to the mode and you'll see ratio, and you can set it to here you can set it to 4:3 or 16:9, as you can see. Now of course, if you rotate the camera, it's gonna switch to the horizontal mode, but you can see it's 4:3 or 16:9. Now there's also gonna be a video mode, right? In video mode I can also change the ratio to 16:9, 4:3, or even 2.35:1, which is this like very wide aspect ratio, almost cinematic, I'd say. Then in other modes, let's try maybe two more modes. Let's try slow motion. We can only set the ratio to 16:9 here, and let's see maybe the time shift. Here we can also set the ratio to 16:9 or 4:3. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.